Our weather today not going to be bad. It's going to be really windy later today. So if you're headed to French Quarter Fest Strawberry Festival today, yeah, right.
Not a skirt.
Yeah, no skirts today, ladies. But yeah, a lot of wind out there, and it's going to be warm. Temperatures getting the lower 80s out there today, so nice and warm. But the big story is going to be tomorrow. Rough weather. The timing of the storms has been seen to be pushed back a little bit with some of the models. Others are still keeping it during the day. So our model's keeping it a little later. Don't put your guard down, though. That isn't necessarily a good thing, because that means we're going to warm up and the atmosphere is more stable, and we can have rougher weather. So, you know, I'd rather have the storms come sooner than later, but we'll see how this all plays out. Right now, though, you can see here in town, things are calm and quiet. I should say not totally calm. Winds are light out there, but we'll be becoming much windier as the day goes on, and that's going to top our headline. Warm and breezy today. Severe storms likely on Saturday and turning much cooler as we head into Sunday. But right now, though, we are looking at 65 degrees outside. Southeast winds fairly light, around 6 miles per hour. But look at the warm air. Dallas, Houston, Lake Charles, all in the 70s. We're 65, 58 Jackson. Look at even 60s Memphis to Nashville this morning. Atlanta at 56. So warm air surging south northward from the Gulf of Mexico. Hammond to Slidell, you can see they're 63 to 64, significantly warmer than yesterday too. Belle Chase at 66 and 72 in Port Fourchon. So recommending really any hot or cold coffee today with our temperatures in the 60s for your coffee forecast. So keep that in mind. But temperatures still running 10, 15, almost 20 degrees warmer in a few places compared to yesterday. Now we'll stay in the 60s all morning, getting up to around 80 by 1 o'clock this afternoon. There will be a slight chance for rain at 20%, and winds out the south-southeast 15, 20 miles per hour easily across the area for today. But again, just a couple clouds out there as we start off our morning. But here's what we're going to be watching during the day today. Oklahoma City back to Dallas, San Angelo, Texas area. Already seeing a few showers developing there this morning. We'll see a lot more thunderstorms popping up here later today, and they're going to start racing the way closer to us as we head to overnight. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we'll be working the way on into the metro area as this next cold front works its way closer to us. But cool, somewhat breezy out there this morning, and we will see some windy conditions later in the day today. Plenty of clouds expected to develop later today. You can see by 2 o'clock, kind of a mostly cloudy afternoon. 1 or 2 showers can't be ruled out. There are the storms tomorrow morning off to the northwest of us. So again, still not anywhere near us by 5 o'clock in the morning. As we head to lunchtime, we'll start seeing showers and storms here at 10 a.m. Closer to lunchtime. I think this line will be a little closer to us, though. This model has been a little later than all the other models are saying, but nonetheless, though, plan for some storms to start moving in from lunchtime into the afternoon from the North Shore into the CBD here on the South Shore. Again, this is showing 6 o'clock. Now, that is not necessarily a good thing. Some of you are thinking, oh, I got all kinds of great things to do. Well, all this means is we get to warm up all day out there. It's going to be very unstable, and these storms could even be stronger because of that as well, too, the longer it takes this line to get into the area. These storms could produce damaging winds. That's likely out there. Maybe a few tornadoes as well, and then heavy rain behind all of that as well. As you'll see here, even by 6, 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, midnight, still heavy rain falling out there. Finally, it clears out by Sunday morning as you head to church. The weather's going to be much cooler and windy. Beautiful day expected on Sunday, but it's going to feel more like winter out there than it will springtime. So we do have an enhanced risk. That's level 3 out of 5 for all of southeast Louisiana for damaging winds and a few tornadoes. And usually when we get to that enhanced level, the tornado threat is going to go up for us. So that's something we do need to watch out for as we head into this upcoming weekend, on top of the heavy rain threat. You can still see rain totals 2, 3, 4 inches of rain not out of the question as we get into Saturday, so we will see potentially some street flooding issues heading into the weekend as well too. French Quarter Fest looking okay today, 82 degrees there. The storms I'm seeing practically 100% chance for Saturday, and then on Sunday we're looking at some sunny skies there and 64 degrees, quite windy out there. Strawberry Fest again today, fine, stormy for tomorrow, and there you can see Sunday again looking at this cool and windy conditions up there in Ponchatoula. So 83 today, 77 Saturday, 64. That's it for a high on Sunday. Chilly morning on both sides of Lake Monday, but beautiful weather continues through Wednesday and a little bit back in the 80s as we head toward the middle of next week. April?
Thank